In this video, we want to look at patterning in sheet metal. So I want to pattern my louver here. If I go back to the sheet metal tab and I look through it, you'll notice it's not loaded as one of the defaults. So I'll just go here to features and I'm going to tell it I want to do a linear pattern. Just like any linear pattern, I'm going to choose an edge for direction. So I'll choose this edge. The arrow's pointing the correct way. I'm going to tell it the spacing and the number of instances, and the spacing will be 0.703, and I would like 10 instances. Next I have to tell it what feature do I wish to pattern. So as the feature to pattern, I want the long louver. So I could choose it here, or I could expand the feature tree and choose it here. So I have my preview. The preview looks good. I'm going to accept that. And then I made my linear pattern of that. Next, I'm going to do a rotary pattern of the original louver, the pattern louver, and the hole.